Are you looking at best lawn sprinkler system? Look no further. Our top 5 picks will have your lawn looking lush and green in no time. Whether you're looking for a stationary or rotating sprinkler, we've got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started with the list. List number: Kadaan 360-degree rotating lawn sprinkler. The Kadaan 360-degree rotating lawn sprinkler is easy to use and will ensure an even distribution of water throughout your lawn. The sprinkler can be aimed at a specific point or at a 45-degree spray pattern, making it ideal for medium to larger size yards. This rotating sprinkler has 3 arms that reach up to 84 feet in length, keeping your yard well watered all season long. Protect your lawn from droughty weather with Kadaan 360-degree rotating lawn sprinklers. This lawn sprinkler has 3 arms that are capable of spraying water in any direction you choose. This rotating design allows you to target the area that needs watering most while saving water at the same time. The multi-rotation feature also allows you to evenly cover up large areas with one single sprayer. Once you determine where the highest need is in your yard, just connect it directly or via a tap and enjoy. List number: Grow Green Sprinkler for Yard. Our Grow Green Sprinkler is perfect for covering large areas, including your lawn and garden. This sprinkler has 360-degree rotation, 20 nozzles for optimal coverage, and 80 psi waters your yard with even cantaloupe-sized streams of water. The adjustable nozzle is fine-tuned to spray in any direction to customize your watering routine. Made with high-quality ABS plastic and a rust-proof polymer, this durable lawn sprinkler will provide long-lasting, worry-free performance. This water sprinkler is super easy to use and takes seconds to set up. It also uses water conservation technology that delivers an even layer of water without overspraying. This durable sprinkler is built with high-quality ABS plastic, rope-proof polymer, and weighted base to keep it in place. Advanced technology, high-quality construction, and an innovative design that can stand the test of time. We've created a high-quality sprinkler system which fits into your life, not the other way around. List number: Biswing Impact Sprinkler Head on Tripod Base. The Biswing Impact Sprinkler Head is an irrigation sprinkler with tripod base for yard, lawn, and grass irrigation. It has a gooseneck hose connector for easy-to-connect hose. The sprinkler head can rotate freely for nearly 360 degrees. Adjust the spray range and radiant of water to make the irrigation in the garden fun. The sprinkler is designed to provide you with large coverage area of water while moving freely on the floor. Sprinkler for garden hose, the coverage area is about to 86 feet in diameter. It can be work on low pressure, but the distance of water jet is related to the water pressure. Recommended water pressure is 2060 psi. The head opens from either left side or right side, making it easy to connect any type of sprinkler hose. Adjust the spray range and radiant of water for your preference. The heads can rotate freely for nearly 360 degrees, allowing you to rotate them easily when connecting new hoses. List number: Gesura Lawn Sprinkler. The Gesura Lawn Sprinkler is easy to use by simply twisting the dial to select the water pattern among these options: square, small circle, large circle, rectangular, half circle, and so on. A gentle rain-like spray pattern is perfect for watering small areas, gardens, and lawns. This lightweight but durable sprinkler can work with low water pressure, so it's also great for under trees and shrubs. The lightweight design can run even when water pressure is low. This compact sprayer from Gesura is designed for small area irrigation, so it's great for watering lawns, gardens, or other smaller areas. Use this sprinkler to water small areas of your garden and yard. This sprinkler for the yard by Gesura comes with a swivel connector that easily connects to any standard garden hose, even with wet hands. It's a leak-free connection to prevent waste. Square shape will make it easier for small objects, like trees, to be watered without getting wet from hitting them. List 5. VLA Lawn Sprinklers. This garden hose lawn sprinkler can rotate 360 degrees to spray, so that the lawn can be fully irrigated and save water. The bottom wheel of the garden hose lawn sprinkler is made of sturdy ASB engineering plastic, which has good durability and stability. Zinc alloy and plastic high-quality metal materials, strong and durable. The surface is coated with spray paint, which can be well protected from rust. Lay-on lawn sprinkler is a new type of irrigation device with 3-arm spray and rotate 360-degree function. It can completely irrigate the lawn and save water. The design of this product is very simple, small and lightweight, so that you can easily carry it to your garden or home. This 3/4 inches or 1/2 inches garden hose thread can fit almost any type of sprinkler. The 3/4 inches or 1/2 inches garden hose thread can be used for replacing a traditional sprayer with a hose-based design.